Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna cook stir fry mixed vegetable Indonesian versions, which is in Bahasa Indonesia, capcay goreng. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So for the green part, I'm gonna use yu choy or any greens you like. You can use bok choy or anything that you like. And then this one is napa cabbage. That's what I use. I have carrot, cauliflower. I'm using the black fungus mushroom. Now for the protein, I have Chinese meatball, the beef meatball, shrimp, and then for seasoning, I'm gonna use 1 onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, MSG, white pepper, salt, sugar, cooking wine, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and tapioca starch for our thickening agent. So now, let's get cooking. First thing, you want to boil all your veggies. Starting for the hardest first, which is the carrot. You're gonna boil this for about 30 seconds. After about 30 to 45 seconds, now you want to put your cauliflower. You're going to cook this for another 30 to 45 seconds. So after about 45 seconds, you want to add your cabbage and yu choy. Just cook this until they're soft. So after about 15 to 20 seconds, I'm just gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna remove all of this and then rinse it with a cold water. The purpose is just to stop the cooking process. So after I rinse it with cold water, I drain all the water and this is what it looks like. So now just add oil on your pan. You wanna cook the onion. And the garlic. So when all the aromatics from the garlic and the onions came out, you want to add your shrimp. You want to cook it for a little bit. And then now add about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add a little bit of water. When it starts boiling, now you can add your seasoning. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, mix it. And then about 4 teaspoons of oyster sauce. But I'm gonna cook for a while. Give it a little taste. So I give it a little taste. Now, us Indonesians, we like to eat this with rice. So I always go on the salty side. But if you guys don't like too much salt or salty, you can adjust by 1 teaspoon instead of 2 teaspoons. So now, when everything's good, I'm gonna add the vegetables. Mushroom. Meatball. And we're gonna cook this. Now when it starts bubbling like this, you want to add about 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Mix it again. Now we're gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna put the thickening agent. Just gonna put a little bit first. I'm gonna add a bit more. So the thickness of the soup in this case is totally up to you guys if you like it thick or not too thick. So just adjust according to your liking. Now when everything is done, I'm just gonna turn it off. And then last but not least, I'm gonna put some sesame oil. Just a little bit. So you'll mix evenly. Then your Indonesian stir-fry mixed vegetable ready to go. So this is the final result for our Indonesian stir-fry mixed vegetable. So if you don't like this to be soupy, you can adjust the water. It's totally up to you. Me, because I like it with rice, so that's why I like it a little bit more soupy. But once again, total control is in your hand. Just adjust the water slightly a little bit if you don't want it this soupy. And so give it a try. This is very healthy, very delicious, and very easy to make. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.